Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I am in the kitchen, and as you guys can see, I'm ready to kickstart my day. I am going to work out, but my baby boy requested porridge for breakfast rather than his usual tea and toast, so I am in the kitchen making oats porridge for him right now. It's just to get sweetened and it will be ready. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Styla and Sarah is over there watching TV. Babe is in bed as today is holiday. So everybody is home today and we plan to have a chill, relaxing day. So I'm going to give Tyler his porridge and go get a kick workout in. Hopefully you guys are staying active. Active means you can skip, you can walk, you can jump, you can run, do some form of physical activity. Not just to lose weight, but to stay healthy in general. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Who wanna say good morning?
Good morning. How are you? Today is the 1st of June.
Yes, it is. And what? You just wanna tell Mama that
You work for Papa and me.
Exactly. You'll be home all day and no school work.
And when Papa wake up, he and me can play a Lego if he say yes or no or not now.
Okay, we'll see about that. Alright?
Yes, but with Papa.
Yeah, Papa will tell you if yes or no.
And I'm going to tell you what he said.
Yeah.
No, Sarah.
Sarah. No.
Don't go back here. One more time in the drawer.
Anyway, you guys, inside my oats porridge, if you are wondering, I have oats, coconut milk, buttermilk, tea milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and what else?
Can I look right?
Yeah,
Like you catch it before.
Yay! Let me show you guys Sarah. She's so cute. She wake up this morning and the first thing she started doing was clapping. She and her brother. Brother means everything to her. You guys, I got my workout in. I washed my hair, got it done, put my girl down for her nap, making her food right now because I know she's gonna wake up in a minute. So I'm making her lunch, and today for lunch she's having Irish potato, zucchini and fish. So that's what I just finished blending here, and then I'm gonna blend her lunch or dinner, which I already cooked. And dinner she's gonna have carrots and zucchini, and then we will store the rest for 3 days. Yes. And this is carrot and zucchini. This one have no meat in it. This will be dinner for a few days. Look who is awake. Look who is awake. Ever since I pick her up, she's looking at me like, Mama, what did you do to your hair? I didn't leave you like this. Mama change your hair. Mama change your hair upon you. And look, we're in the same color. Mama change your hair upon you.
No.
Ready for lunch? Say hello to the faves. Look. Say hello. I just woke up from a nap. A long 2-hour nap. So Mama could wash her hair and shower and make my food and prepare brother food and clean a bed. Making lunch for me Bandai, and I have some jerk chicken left over in my fridge. So what I did was cut it up, warm it a bit, and I'm going to put one of these wrap in the pan. That's the pepper that made me coughing so much. Pepper ton up. Then I'm gonna add some cheese to the bottom of the pan. To the bottom of the wrap. And then I'm going to put chicken in the middle of this. So I'm going to make one big one for me and one big one for babe, because I only have 2 wraps. Normally I like to make them thin, but I don't have any more wrap, so I'm just going to make them and fill in. Then I'm gonna add more cheese on top of that. Oh, glory! There we go. So that one's gonna be babe's, and then the second one's gonna be mine. Just thought I would come on and share it with you guys. I've been watching this Jamaican YouTuber for roughly more than a year now. Her name is Zoisha. Her YouTube channel is Zo space Isha, so it's Z-O space E-S-H triple A. Go and subscribe to Zoisha channel and tell her that Melissa sent you. Zoisha is a Jamaican that when me say full of vibes, I mean full of vibes. When Zoisha laugh, you can't resist but laugh. Her laugh is so contagious, and she will be getting married in a few months, and she's planning her wedding, which will be held in Jamaica. So go and catch that journey so you guys can be a part of the leading up to her getting married, and you can catch up on all her backstories of our previous vlogs and all the vlogs that she have on her channel. Zoisha, you must catch up and keep up with Zoisha. Go subscribe and tell her that Mel sent you. Support the Jam Down family. What's that in your hand?
Chocolate.
A whole bunny chocolate. Turn it around, let Faith see it. You got this for Easter and you're just gonna eat it now?
Yeah.
Where you gonna bite? Where you gonna give the first bite? The ears?
Yes.
Okay. But Papa give you the entire bunny. Why Papa didn't break it and give you a piece and put up the rest?
Because Papa...
Go let Papa break it and give you a piece. Okay?
So how I could open the prize?
You gonna see it when Papa open the bunny. You and Papa open the bunny together, but you can't have all that chocolate in your hand.
1, 2, 3. Wow. The prize. The prize is here.
All done. Tyler, you're not gonna eat all of that.
The ears.
He said he want the ears. See? Isn't that better? Then you're gonna buy the whole entire chocolate like it's a Coca-Cola bottle you're drinking Coca from. You're gonna just bite into the chocolate like that? Your papa is just as bad as you are.
Put this in the fridge.
Okay. You talk to the say hello to the face.
You want me to say hello? Hi guys. Feels good to be home on Monday. Well, I'm home every Monday, but
Today's a holiday. You don't work.
And it feels like a Sunday.
It does.
We're just home doing a lot of things that need to be done and spending time with the family. They're going so fast. That's the key word of the day. Spend time with your family, especially when they're young. Just take the times. If you are if your father, don't go too often out with your boys or things like this. Spend some times with your family. It's important.
Advice from a good husband. You hear that, men?
Feel good, but I see Sarah
good enough.
going. This quarantine have been good for that. I saw Sarah going.
You didn't miss out on too
every
much of
day.
her.
I saw her first step. I saw so many things that.
And if you were at work,
otherwise
you would have probably missed it.
I would have missed it. So, yeah, spend time with your family. I do.
You do. And that's what I love about
I
you.
try. No, but it's important. It's every little word, every little thing that they do, excitement.
Can you
It's
imagine
just-
if you were the kind of guy who always out, you'd miss out on almost everything, all their first and just little things.
Yeah, but after I think it's just what you put as priority. I mean,
That's true.
people who do that, they don't put these things as priority. They just, it's not easy to give up a lot of things that you used to do
That's true.
before. Some people, they say kids.
That's true, but there's something called prioritizing.
Yeah, but it's not my priority.
You
It's
don't
not
have to give it up
necessarily
completely,
others'
but
priority.
you can. You don't have to give it up completely, but you can limit certain things.
Yeah, but that's my point of view. I mean, some people, they just want to continue living like if they have no kids. Priority is to do that. No, nothing is best. It's just my point of view. I like my kids.
Just your kids?
Yes.
Alright. Is that right? You break my heart. I'm hurt. Really? You're not taking back?
Eh?
You're not taking back?
Take what back? That I love my...
Just your kid didn't love me?
Oh, you! Ah.
Me hurt. Somebody help me cry. Yo.
Come. Mama,
Yes.
do pick up.
You laugh until you cry. You laugh until you cry. She wants you to continue. Sarah, what kind of laughing is that? Is that crying laughing? Come here. Come here.
After Tommy, Hans, love your time.
Come here.
Or Johnny. Or Johnny. She likes the 2-2-1.
So she crying and laughing at the same time. Sarah, you're too funny.